Hello, dear students. How are you? What are you doing in your home? I think that you are very well in your home. Today, we will start your class through the WhatsApp group. You will get your course from your papa or mummy's mobile. Okay. Four subject: English, Hindi, Maths, EVS. आपको सेकेंड क्लास के लिए 4 सब्जेक्ट है. एक इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट है और हिंदी, then Maths, then EVS. 4 सब्जेक्ट है. We will not study GK and computer this year. 3 months कोर्स है. 3 महीने के कोर्स है. Here I will teach English subject for you. Do you know my name? My name is Sajeev. I will teach English. को अच्छा से आप काम करना शुरू से. English है. You are studying English medium school है. So English is a basic subject, important subject and international subject. Okay. आपके पास बुक नहीं है. Just write these things in a copy. Okay. It is a poem. Lesson number 1. Class 2nd English. Lesson number 1. The Moon. It is a poem. कविता. ये poem का नाम The Moon. The Moon. Some picture also. Different shapes of moon है. Where we can see the moon है. We can see the moon. Where we can see the moon? Do you see the moon? Do you see the moon? Yes or no? Do you see the moon? Yes. Where we can see the moon? We can see the moon in the sky. Where you can see the moon? That is my question. आपका आंसर कैसे? I see the moon in the sky. When you can see the moon? Next question, second question. When you can see the moon? Day, night. 2 parts. Day and night. Night and day. Which time or which part of the day we can see the moon? We can see the moon in the night time. We can see the moon in the night time in the sky. And this poem is about a moon. You know the different shapes of. Sometimes if you look on the sky, this shape, you can see this shape. Did you see this shape? So, or big one. Then some days full round moon. After the full round के बाद then was small. Then was small. This is a different shapes of moon. This poem is about a moon, a small girl. Okay. Just listen. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 poem. 8 lines poem. Here 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can divide it 1 line. I draw a line and 4 line. वो 4 line we will call stanza. S-T-A-N-Z. Stanza. 4 line 1 stanza और नीचे भी 4 line है. फिर दूसरा stanza. Total 2 stanza in the poem. 4 lines we will say together. It's a stanza. अभी poem में 2 stanza है. Okay. Just listen. Oh, look at the moon. She is shining so high. Oh mother, she looks like a lamp in the sky. Okay. देखो मोबाइल में देखो. Oh, look at the moon. Words देखना. Oh, look at the moon. She is shining so high. Oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the sky. One stanza completed. The second stanza. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she is grown bigger and round like an O or zero. Once again, last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she is grown bigger and round like an O. I will explain. First line. First line. Oh, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Look means देखना. Oh, look at the moon. Everybody, night time should watch the moon. The moon is standing in the sky. आज देखना. Everybody, every child should see the moon, because we can see the moon when night time we can see the moon. Oh, look at the moon. Oh, dear students, look at the moon when night time. दिन में नहीं, night time. Okay. ये first sentence. Do you understand it? Oh, look at the moon. Oh, children. Oh, dear. Oh, friend. Oh, mummy. Oh, papa. Look at the moon. Okay. Then, she is shining so high. She is shining. Good lighted. Shining and brightening. She means S-H-E. She, madra, moon. She means moon. We can say the moon is shining. It gives a lighted. Night time it gives us a lighted. The moon is shining so high, long distance, because it stands in the sky. The moon is shining. Oh dear student, oh dear friends, oh dear brother, oh dear mother, look at the sky, look at the moon. Their moon is shining. Where? So high. Okay. Then, oh mother, the boy or the girl, she called his mother. Oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the sky. She, oh mother, this poem is about a little girl. The little girl, the small girl, she called her mother. Oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the sky. Just like a lamb. Lamb gives us light. Lamb gives us light. Bulb. You know the bulb? Just like a bulb. I will draw a picture of a bulb. This is the bulb. Take here. What is it? It is a bulb. Just like a lamb. What is the purpose of this bulb? What we can use the bulb? The bulb gives us light. Everybody's house. You know the bulb? Everybody's house also. Bulb. So, oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the sky. Where is the? I will ask some questions. The poem is about the moon. And where is the moon? The moon is so high. There. Oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the sky. The moon is standing in the sky. Okay. Once again I will read it. Come with me. Oh, look at the moon. She is shining so high. Oh mother, she looks like a lamb in the sky. Once again, you can sing with me. Oh, look at the moon. Oh, look at the moon. She is shining so high. She is shining so high that oh mother, she looks. Oh mother, she looks like a lamp in the sky. Like a lamp in the sky. This is the first stanza. Charlene completed it. I think that you understand it. Enjoy it. Are you enjoying it? Okay. Then we are going to study the second stanza. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she is grown bigger and round like a worm. The last week, before 6 days, she was smaller. She means correct. She is a she correct. M-O-O-N. She is a woman. She was smaller the last week. That means a part. Before 5 days. This shape. Here, small. She was smaller. Last week she was smaller. Then and shaped like a bow. This shape is like a bow. In the bowl, we can put some eating items, fruits like that. Fruits and this. We can put in a bowl and we can eat it. We can use the bowl as a eating thing, keeping eating materials, things. The now I'm shaped like a bowl. Then and now means Abhi. Now she is growing bigger. She is growing means here is a S-H-E. Look here. S-H-E. Then yes, I said. It is the apostrophe. Yes, I said. The full form is she is. I said. She is. She means she is. Here she means moon. The moon grow bigger. Now the moon, the big size. Big size. And round like now the moon big size and also round. Round means R-O-U-N-D. That is the spelling of round. You study the spelling also. वो spelling भी आप याद करना. आप poem याद करना, वो spelling भी याद करना. Words याद. And round like now अभी मून देख रहे थे और ये शेप है वो पहले ये शेप है मून अभी ये शेप ओके 4-5 दिन ऐसे अभी ऐसे वो 5 दिन के बाद 6 दिन के बाद और ऐसे और चौथा है ऐसे ओके एक और बार ये स्टडी थे Oh look at the moon. She is shining so high. Oh mother, she looks like a lamp in the sky. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she is grown bigger and round like an. वो डाउट है कि देखने को बाद देखो ये स्पेलिंग देखना वर्ड्स के उच्चारण प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी देखना ना ओ लुक at the moon. Oh, look at the moon. She is shining so high. Oh, mother, she looks like a lamp in the sky. Okay. Last week, she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she is grown bigger and round like an O. A poem, कर पे आप याद करना. ओके वो वर्ड्स का स्पेलिंग याद करना और वो अच्छे से कर पे याद करना वो परीक्षा में भी आएगा ओके ये फर्स्ट वीडियो हो रहा है तो सेकंड वीडियो में कुछ आंसर देगा अदर वर्क्स है होम असाइनमेंट लिखे मचदोनम ट्रू और फॉल्स फिलिंग्स ब्लैंक्स ये भी आप करना ओके नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल मीट अगेन आई विल कम अगेन विथ यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो और थैंक्स बाय गॉड ब्लेस यू